Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having Chipotle. Okay, you guys, welcome back to another mukbang. It's like crumbs on here. So today I got myself some Chipotle and I got a salad, and we're trying their new al pastor chicken. Ooh. Here she is. Ooh. She looks lovely. Okay, so I got the salad, which is like their mixed greens. I got napkins. And then I got a side of their queso. I got a side of guac. I got a side of their hot salsa. And then the salad come with vinaigrette. I don't know if I'm gonna have that because I believe it does have sugar in it. Ooh, piece of corn fell. In my bowl, I have the bed of greens. I have double of the al pastor chicken. I have some veggies. They're mild salsa. It's like a pico de gallo. Corn salsa, cheese, sour cream. Did I say veggies? Anyways, I have veggies. So here it is. It looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna find a piece of the chicken and I'm just gonna tell you how the chicken tastes itself. Now I got double, so I'm hoping it's good. And right off the bat, I get a like gristly piece of chicken. All right, it's got a little kick to it. So al pastor is usually made with pork. This is very flavorful. I didn't get chips, but I do have pork rinds. So we'll have some pork rinds. Of course. Wow, the flavor of the chicken is really coming through. Dip it in some queso. It's very saucy, which is like how al pastor is. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have tried this new flavor and how you like it. Personally, it's good, but I like the other, what was it, guajillo? The guajillo chicken that they came out with. That was really good. The steak, the guajillo steak, it was okay, but I think it was better with the chicken. So good. I have to show this off to you guys. The light might be washing it out. There we go. It is so pretty. So when I saw that they were coming out with these, or releasing these this month, I knew I had to have it. I haven't bought a Starbucks cup in a while. I think the last one I bought, so it's been a few months, I guess, actually. The last ones I bought were like in November. So it's so pretty. It's like a pearly, pearly color. I'm drinking unsweet tea. Iced unsweet tea. Look at how flavorful that chicken is. It's very adobo-y. If you want to call it that. I'm glad I got double protein. Now this salsa is spicy. It's so good. It messes with my stomach, but I can't help it. I had a ton of points. If you guys go to Chipotle a lot, make sure you scan your rewards. If you forget, you can always look on your receipt and add it later. But the rewards points add up a lot. You can earn free side of chips and guac, a free, if you have enough, you can earn a free entree. So I logged into my app. Well, not the app. For some reason, I can't log into the app. But I can log in online, like through Safari on my phone. I don't know. I need to figure out what's up with that. But I saw how many points I had, so I was like, you know what? I'm just going to get double protein. So I had a lot. I had over 2,000. Because I haven't used my rewards since like the middle of last year. So yeah, definitely use your rewards. And if you don't have a Chipotle rewards account, sign up, especially if you eat there a lot. It really pays off. It's such a nice day out today. I can't wait to take Daisy out for a walk. She's gonna enjoy the sunshine. Pork rinds because they are low carb or no carb. Yeah. So, a little update on my heating situation. We ended up, this is part of the reason why I haven't filmed in a while. Those of you that watch my videos every day, I post to you every time I post. So we ended up choosing a company and we went through Costco. So whoever Costco contracts out, they had the better deal. Well, company wise and Costco perks wise, so they weren't the cheapest of our quotes. They were like right in the middle, but the Costco guarantee, because they stand behind their products and the companies that they contract out, so we have that like peace of mind. And on top of that, we're getting a Costco gift card that's, I think it's 10%. It's 10% back of what our total is. Which is good. So that's like a little over $2,000. On top of that, for those of you that have Costco, that are the executive members, you guys know, Costco gives you annual rewards. I think it's like 2% of whatever you spend, you get that cash back at the end of the year when you go to renew. So we'll get that 2%, which is like, I want to say it's like around $400. And then just the quality of the service from the company that we went through, there we could tell there was a big difference. A couple of the salesmen that came out to do estimates, one, you could tell he was really trying to sell us like the most expensive thing that they had. One just came in, he was only here for like 20 minutes, didn't take any measurements. It was like, hi, here's how much it's going to cost you. We'll do this, this, and this. And like, he didn't really give us any options to choose from. So, and then he left. So, Costco was our last people to come out, or the company that Costco contracts out. They were the last people to come out, and they were just a whole other, we just called the wrong companies, I guess. Because again, we have no clue about HVAC and plumbing and all that, you know. So Anyways, so they were able to give us a good deal on top of Costco's deals because it's their slow month. So, and because it was their slow month, they were able to come out right away and install it. So we have everything installed. It took a couple of days. And yeah, so we're all set up and ready to go. I had people coming in and out. Poor Daisy, I had to keep Daisy up. But yeah, the first night we were able to turn it on. We had to go one night without heat. The first night that they came and installed everything. Because we had to have the city inspector like okay everything before they could like connect the gas line to the new furnace. So we had to go one night without heat. But as soon as they were able to turn it on and they came and connected everything, immediate difference. Immediate difference. So I'm so glad that we have a better quality heat, because the one that we had, we were just so afraid that we were gonna come home one day, if we put it off even longer, you know, that we were gonna come home one day and we just have water damage in the ceiling from a burst pipe that's in the attic. So we have more peace of mind, you know. This is so good. I told Jose, I was like, I need to start filming like every single day. Whether it's like grocery hauls, recipe videos, eating videos, so I can help contribute or pay for it, you know, because it's a pretty penny. That just comes with home ownership though, you know. All right. I think I ate all the meat. Just like little tiny pieces. Very good. Let me just say that by eating low carb, so I do have a cheat day. My cheat day was last Saturday. We went out for my father-in-law's birthday. I did pretty good dinner-wise, but I did have some cocktails. And then we ended up going out for ice cream. But I will say that when I do eat low carb, I feel less bloated. And I don't know, I just feel better and more satiated. And I think that's because I'm getting a lot more veggies in. A lot more fiber, a lot more bulk. When I cook dinner, it's usually just veggies, whatever veggies I have. We've been eating a lot of asparagus, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli. And then a protein, which is usually chicken, beef, or shrimp. I think those are the only proteins really, but it's a lot of veg. And when I do eat carbs, I can feel the bloatedness the next day, you know? So that is it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go try this. I'm pretty sure it's just for a limited time only. I don't know how long they're gonna have it for. It's very good, very flavorful, very like juicy, because it's like a sauce that it's in. Yeah, let me know if you guys tried this. Let me know if you like it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Leave me a comment down below. Rate this video, share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to turn your notifications on so you're notified the second I upload a brand new video. And that is it. I will see you guys soon with a brand new video. Bye.